What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, it's been a few years since we put any content out. I'm excited to say we're back and we've got a new project that I'm going to share with you shortly. Don't worry, we still have projects to finish on the JT. Took a couple year hiatus, had personal stuff going on that we had to handle, got that taken care of. So I'm really excited to share with you my new project. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that now. All right, so here is the new project. It's a 1969 Chevy Nova. This is a car as a kid that I always wanted, and when I had the opportunity to buy it, I couldn't pass it up. I feel like I got a really good deal. It's in fairly good condition. The backstory on the car is an older gentleman had it, and he had put a lot of work into it, was trying to get it kind of back up to speed, got sick, stopped working on it. The car is sat, and so I had the opportunity to buy it. Not directly from him, but from somebody in between. So I have some of the history on the car, but not a ton. I do know that when I got it, I trailered it home and it wasn't running. I've been able to do just a few small things to get it running. We'll take a quick look at that now. Nothing major. I put a new carburetor on it, new spark plugs, new wires, a new alternator, and a new battery. And from there, she fired right up. So that's a great sign. There are some things that we got to address pretty quickly. It needs a new rear main seal is leaking. The suspension is pretty well shot, and I don't really know what I have in the motor yet because I really haven't got to give the car a true test. I've driven it around the block a few times, but I really haven't gotten to test it. I don't know the internals of the motor, rear end, transmission. I do know that when this car was factory, when it was bought off the lot back in 1969, it was a V6 car, so it wasn't an SS or anything like that. We're working with a 350 now, so as you would expect with a car this old, there's been a lot of updates and upgrades and fixing on and working on, and so now I'm looking forward to making this project mine. So we're just going to go around, show you the inside, show you the condition of the outside. I will say there's some surface rust, but nothing major. It's not going to need new floor pans. It's not going to need anything in the trunk. There's just surface rust, nothing major. So looking forward to really taking this thing from where it's at now to a weekend cruiser. All right, as you can see, we did lose the door panels, but we do have all the glass, which is a great sign. These are not the original seats in the front. I do believe the back seat is original. Obviously, it's recovered, but on the inside, on the front, we have all of the instruments, the instrument panel, which is great, and we do have the dash pad. So it's, overall, not bad. Definitely a great start. Then outside, I'll just do a quick walk around. You can see, the paint's not great, but for just kind of cruising around on the weekends, once it's running well, it doesn't look bad at all, especially being black. But we will come on up to these rust spots here shortly, so you can see there, it's surface rust, nothing major. All in all, very happy with the condition of the car to start with. So we'll get a quick look under the hood a little closer. So you can see it's dirty. Not sure what all is going to be functioning well, but we'll find out shortly. Thanks for sticking around and checking out my new 69 Nova. If muscle cars are your thing, I hope you'll follow along. We're really going to have a great time with this build, and I think you'll like where it ends up. So we've got parts on the way. Hope to see you soon.